or you can put the same link up in the description. Yeah, if possible, you can test. We don't do that way. We already talked about the viral books, how you put, load it up with links and give people giveaway rights. That tends to work really well. Other viral things, you can do software. We've not done any of that yet, where we've created like a little software program to give out on well, actually, I take that back. We wrap up some things to make it look like software and put our links on all these software type directories. Again, that's mainly for the backlinks. But we have not personally done any downloadable type software, viral software. A lot of my sites are just viral because it's free, and you get your bonus links. Affiliates rush in, they sign up, and they throw these free boxes all over the place. I had stated earlier, I'm getting anywhere from 3,000 to 2,000 sign-ups. That's people coming in, signing up, us getting their details on every site usually that I do, these viral type sites. What's some other viral?
But you've basically covered it, unless you're like a big corporation and you can afford like the big viral campaigns that all of them do. Basically what Jeff taught you today about, the branding of the ebooks, that's the best viral marketing you can do. Videos, doing like promotional videos and allowing your affiliates to brand those videos, that's something that I started a long time ago, and they love that. They just copy and paste it, put it on their blog. People come watch the video and they go, oh, I'm going to go check this out. They come to the sales letter and they buy. That type of viral marketing is what we do. We don't do the cutesy, silly Hubba Chubba baby. You guys, I don't even know if you guys even remember the Ugga Chubba baby, the dancing baby. Oh. Does anybody remember the dancing baby? Yeah, I was like 15, and that was that was like 15 years ago. I've been around the internet for a minute. That kind of stuff. You may hit on it, like right now, the Beyonce song, All the Single Ladies. Now they have it, All the Single Babies, and it's the dancing baby. So unless you have a baby, you can't do viral marketing, evidently. Video marketing, which is a little bit of what Jeff just talked about, creating videos that go viral. That's why I thought of viral marketing, the video marketing. But the way I use video marketing is all educational. I want to give all the content I can so that they will go, wow, I'm going to go buy her stuff. The free stuff's this good. The paid stuff's going to be really good. So that's how I use video marketing. I also use video marketing as part of my affiliate strategy. I do a lot of, maybe even as simple as, hey, I'm at this site, I'm taking a look at it, I just bought the product, here's what the download page looks like, of course, hide the download URL, here's the book, look at all these pages, look, oh, this is great content, look at all the other bonuses this person's giving, just take them through the buying experience. It's a very simple affiliate marketing video strategy. As far as SEO for using videos, you can submit videos that you create to all the video directories. Something that I have done in the past, my programmer hates me for this because I just went, I don't want to do that anymore. But I made him go and sign up at like 30 different video directory sites. Then I made him do it over and over and over and over again. And we had like 20 different personas with 20 different accounts. And so what he would do is he would log in to each thing, and it was some program. It may have been Video Post Robot, don't quote me. May have been something like that, but allowed you to log in, put all your login information in for all your 20 plus accounts, and it's basically like you submit to all the 20 video sites plus for each persona. So it was like 10 times 10, you got 100 amount, 100% more. 100 more of the amount. I'm just getting totally tongue twisted. Talked way too much. You're getting 100 more, 100 times more the effect. You guys get what I'm saying. You guys get this stuff. That's the excremental. Thank you. I'm going to have Robin up here with me in a minute. That's one way you can do it, or a second way you can do it. the affiliate marketing stuff with it. Like I said, I use it on all my blogs. Video's huge for branding yourself. That's another great way to use video marketing. How have you guys used video marketing? Same ways?
Yeah, again, I don't use it as much as I want. I should be like taking a lot of my videos and chunking it down and putting it online. We did a bit in some other niches. When I do reviews, the few times I've done reviews, those tend to be pretty good. And over time, they get a lot of views. Even after I've already taken down the offer and everything, those views keep on going. Let's see, how else have we used it? I have a company make some really cheesy type, quick little movies every month, and we just plaster those all over. There's been, somebody said that if you change, as you're uploading it to YouTube, the name that you call the file, they even take that into account as to what it really is. So when you're uploading, and you can upload on your, I believe, I might be wrong, but on your site, you can only upload video once. But if you change the format, so if it's AVI the first time, and if it's MPG, whatever, the second time, change the format and change the keyword, you can do it multiple times. And then you can have multiple accounts, of course, too.
Yeah, there's all kinds of software out there that's going to help you automate this kind of stuff. It's going to help you duplicate yourself times 100. They call it spammy stuff. I call it SEO. It's kind of gray SEO. There's black hat SEO, then there's gray SEO, and there's white hat SEO. And depending who you are and and what your ethics and morals are, depends on what you put in each category. It's the internet. It's not like we're out to kill people. We're just posting links everywhere. That to me is not harmful to anybody. Link getting, I think we pretty much covered that. All this stuff, everything that we've done here, you can also apply to getting links to your site. As I said, the more links you get to your site that are for your keyword, the higher in the search engines you will go. There is software out there that will tell you, okay, I put in ski resort vacation, and I see skiresortvacation.com is the top ranking domain name for that keyword. There is software out there that will tell you how many backlinks that site has, give you some inside information. I can't remember the name of the software because the SEO part of my business I haven't paid attention to. I don't know if Alexa tells or not.
If you go to that site on Alexa, it'll show how many sites are linking in.
Okay. Matt Callan, yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, Matt Callan, Callen. He puts out a lot of really cool SEO tools. Really sharp SEO guy. Forums can be used, like I said, for getting links. The SEO part of things. I told you guys about how I am paying people to post in forums, not like in my forum, but going out and I'll give them 5 or 6 different forums, like in the massage therapy niche that I'm in. There's only like 3 or 4 really busy forums, so I give them the links to the forums and tell them, okay, go post 100 posts in there, and they'll go and they'll do it, and then they'll send me the links to all the posts they've done. You could do that as an affiliate marketing strategy. Pay people, a few cents a piece to go and post in forums your affiliate link in the signature line, and you'll have links everywhere. Forums, when I first got started, I kind of went into them, like I said, mainly the Warrior Forum, but remember it's a mud puddle. Don't get stuck. Great place to find resources. WSOs are great, Warrior Special Offers, but you can get really bogged down in there from the atmosphere, and you can get really bogged down in there because it's so much fun to see who's making some big controversy today, or who's whining about somebody posting their affiliate link on wherever. There's always something going on in there. But it's a great place to find good resources. If you ever have a question, go to the Warrior Forum. You'll get lots of answers because everybody there is an expert.
But don't always listen
exactly
to the answers.
Yeah. You gotta take everything with a grain of salt with the Warrior Forum. And for every forum, I'm not just picking on the Warrior Forum. I'm a warrior. I am very proud of being a warrior. It's a great great site. Alan says, has really built that up to be a wonderful resource. It's been the foundation for a lot of marketers' careers to be launched. Phil Same started there. Lots of our buddies have started there. Let me grab you a microphone.
I just want to ask, when you outsource posting in the forum, do you use a pseudonym or what?
No, when I'm outsourcing, I always use my name. It's always, but
In
in
the forum, though.
Oh, in the forum? Yeah, no. I don't use my name. I use whatever pen name I have. Like with my Ashley Barnes pen name, it's always Ashley Barnes. Yeah, when they're posting for me, they sign up as Ashley Barnes. They'll and like the name Ashley, we spell it the cutesy way, Ashlee. And she always has like a little smiley face. You know, she's like the all-American girl. So you feel like it's okay to click on her link because she's going to be safe. It's all about the persona, just like we've talked a lot about Frank Kern this weekend. It's all about the persona. And I'm okay with that, presenting myself that way, because I know the product that I'm trying to get them to buy is a good product. User groups. There's certain ones, and user groups now, it's amazing the 15 years that I've been online, how user groups have changed. It's gone from like Yahoo groups and Google groups to now I would call, Facebook is like user groups 2.0. MySpace is like user groups 2.0. They've all evolved. And so I just call them all user groups. These are great places, again, to brand yourself. My Facebook page, I've got more friends than I ever thought I'd have. And people I don't even know are my friends. And it's because I'm branding my name, and they're all coming there, being my friend. And now when I send an email out, it gets posted to my Facebook page, it gets posted to my blog, and it goes out to my Twitter account. Everybody's looking for my name because my name's been out there for so long and so often. So it's a great way to brand yourself. Are you guys doing anything with Facebook?
Very little. I got my name, and that's about it. I have very little. Before we go on, we're going to take a quick 5-minute break, and then we'll be right back.
Okay, we're going to take a quick 5-minute break.
All right, let's continue our talk on traffic. Let's go into social media. Now, that's something that I have done a lot. I have teams doing links and building links and doing just a ton of social media backlinks or bookmarking type sites. It's just one of those processes that combined, you just start seeing your sites rise up in the search engines. We're continuing to do more and more of it. I assume you guys do it at some extent. What all do you do there?
I'll just shake my head, yes.
Yes.
Yes, we do it. Jeff called it social media, but I call it social marketing. Well, I mean, same thing, kind of. Like we were talking about the Facebook stuff. I have been playing Farmville on my Facebook page with many, many, many of my readers. They love that stuff. They love it. I think I've got like the cafe thing going. And do you guys really want to know who's they're playing those games with? My 7-year-old. I outsourced my game playing on Facebook to my 7-year-old. He loves it. It's fun for him. The people think, it's me there playing with them. You guys know the truth now. They're playing with my 7-year-old. I've outsourced that to my 7-year-old.
She's outsourced her fun.
Exactly. I just got to find somebody outsourced doing stuff with Diedrich with. But people really like that. And every once in a while I do come in there and I'll play my little Farmville game and stuff like that. Logan, my son, will tell me, no, I'm playing with your customers. Okay. He's a little bit protective too. Let's see what else. Twitter. Definitely using Twitter a lot. Aweber has a setting where you can have it, when you send an email out, it automatically goes to your Twitter account too. It'll say, subject line, and then it'll have like a little URL.